On behalf of the Governor Council of the Statistical Institute for Asia and the Pacific, I would like to report the outcome of the 16th session of the Governor Council. The 16th session of the Governor Council of the Statistical Institute for Asia and the Pacific was held on 30 November and 1st December 2020 via video conferencing. During the session, the Council considered the report of the Director and its achievements in 2020. Council members also expressed their view on a draft resource mobilization strategy and advised next steps for the development of the strategy. The Council further considered the Institute's proposed work program and financial plan for 2021. Even under the COVID-19 pandemic, training needs were strong. The Institute organized and delivered virtual interactive training courses. The number of participants were 2,709 in 2020, almost double of that in 2019. Delivery of e-learning courses were supported by a couple of webinars. The Council acknowledged the achievements of the Institute during the pandemic conditions. The Council reviewed a draft resource mobilization strategy which aims to improve the quality and increase the quantity and diversity of the Institute resource base. The Council welcomed the focus on partnership and supported the importance of partnerships with the private sector, especially regarding new technologies, new technical skills and access to new data sources. The Council asked for the draft strategy is to be further developed with greater detail and for it to be considered by the Council in its next session in 2021. The Institute proposed 37 training courses, including 14 e-learning courses and a webinar as the work program and financial plan for 2021. The Council reviewed and endorsed the work program and financial plan, except for the hiring of consultation for implementation of the resource mobilization strategy, since the strategy would be further considered in its next section. Thank you, Chair, for the opportunity to present the outcome of the 16th session of the Governor Council of the Institute to the Commission today. Thank you.